What's up, everyone? David here. Gonna work on the Camaro a little bit. We're going to change out the lifters for some short travel lifters, and we're also going to change out the oil pump for a higher pressure and higher volume, since I did undersize the main bearings because this motor was so fresh when I got it. Let me show you what's going on here. So here's the motor. I've taken off the headers, all the accessory brackets, about ready to start getting into the heads. I got to get off the intake and drain the fuel, but we're slowly working on it. So I got some Morel 7780 short travel lifters. These just came in, so I'm excited to put these in. I also got the Melling 10296 high volume oil pump. Oil pump, and we got everything in here. We got the blue spring. We got the Copo Camaro spring, and we got the seals and the oil pump. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on that. I also got these cool little Lowe's buckets to hold my hardware as I'm taking the car apart. Pretty neat. Works pretty well. Lastly, I did get brand new, as everybody is saying, always put new lifter trays in. So I got some genuine GM parts here. So those will go in when I put the new lifters in. Super excited, super pumped. All right, so I'm gonna get started on the removal of the intake and then get to the heads, and I'm gonna do some time lapse so you guys can see. All right, guys, I got the head off. Wasn't too bad, and this is kind of what it looks like now. Yeah, I got my lunchbox sitting right here, and I also have a Kraken 700, and I got to pull that thing out so I can go flying sometime soon. But anyways, for the sake of it, I got the head up here on the workbench so I can show you guys. I mean, it's just like most LS heads, except for this one's an 823 head. I got the Texas Speed titanium valve springs on here with the one-piece valve seals. Of course, it's got the rectangle ports. The flow numbers on this head is actually pretty impressive for a stock head. That's about the only thing I did, was I put springs on there. I still have the stock valves on here. I might upgrade them later, or I think I'm going to get the PRS heads at some point. Not sure, but it's a good flowing head. And then also, I'm right in the middle of cleaning the head bolts so that they're like new. So when we're clean, I still got to spray these off, but when I go to reinstall these, are ARP head studs. Well, they're not head studs, they're head bolts. When I go to put them back in, they'll be clean, fresh, and I'll put a fresh torque lube on here so that way it's nice and clean when I put them back on. Also forgot to mention that I did pick up this oil pump or timing chain cover alignment tool off of Amazon. Super cheap. This will help me get the timing cover back on after I put the oil pump back on. So yeah, that's my head there, and I'm gonna get the rest of it pulled apart. I'm gonna start working on some other stuff, and hopefully I'll get to shoot some more video then, but I gotta get this somewhat done. I want to drive this thing here in the next couple of weeks, so I'll keep you guys posted.